In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Proton VPN free in PC or laptop. So let's just begin. First of all, what we are going to be doing here is you simply need to create an account on Proton VPN, and here you can see we have this official download link. Click on this download for Windows option, and once you do, select the option which suits the best. Let's say you have Windows 10, which is 64 bits. Choose the first option, or same goes for Windows 11. If you have Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 8.1, then you can use the last option. So you can see, let's just download it. It is going to be downloading. It is about 80 MBs, 80 to 90 MBs depending on the file size. You can see you can simply open it and start installing it. So this is how this looks, and let me just select all of this process. You can see it is asking me to select the language, and now it is going to be installed. So just hold on a bit until the installation is going to be completed. And yeah, so click on next. You can simply select the uh, area where it should be started to download, and yeah, so we can simply go with the option that suits the best. And now you can see it is installing. So that's how you can use VPN, Proton VPN, completely for free onto your device. Simply sign in with the credentials that you used, and it is going to be working. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.